Where's my drink? Made myself a little chai tea latte. Let's hit it. Cheers. What's up, core crew? Welcome back to the channel. It's your girl Courtney Janine, and I'm back with another video. In today's video, I'm doing another wig review. You girls seem to like it, and I love trying new hair, especially when it's from Outre. Y'all know the drill. Outre released another melted hairline collection, and you know your girl has to try it. Thank you so much to Outre for sending me this unit. I will be reviewing Miss Jenny. She looks like this. If you guys have not been seeing her around, she's so freaking cute. I can't wait to try her out. You guys know the melted hairline collection, I sound like a broken record once again, but this is my favorite collection from a synthetic wig company, period. The lace is so good. I love how you get the frontal effect, but it's already pre-plucked. The lace is HD. You can tint it if you need to. Y'all know the drill. So let's go ahead and unbox, and then I will read you guys the stock card so that you guys know what exactly to expect from this collection. I did pick her up in DR2 Ginger Brown because the model, oh my gosh, you guys have to see the model. The model looks so good with that color. So I was like, okay, let me get that. So this is Miss Jenny. I picked her up in DR2 Ginger Brown. She comes in a number of specialty colors though, including DR2 Cinnamon Wine, Chocolate Cream, Ginger Brown, which I have, Sandy Blonde, Cajun Spice, and Golden Amber. So what to expect: you'll have soft HD transparent lace, 5 inches deep parting, completely pre-plucked hairline and sideburns, pre-attached wide elastic band for a secure fit, or you can cut it out if it's too tight. And then also natural baby hairs, redesigned comfort ear contour. So let's go ahead and open her up. This is what the hairline is giving straight out the pack, so you guys can see. Giving. Oh, cute. Yeah, I watched somebody else's review, I think Deanna Monet, and she said that it reminds her of Nisha 201, and I definitely see that. It's really full. Okay, let me go do my makeup. Oh, let me give you guys a full 360. So this is what she looks like up front. This is what she looks like to the side, and then this is her in the back, and then this is her to the other side, so you guys know. Okay guys, so let me go finish my makeup, and then we will get to styling this unit, and I'll let you guys know my final thoughts and if you should pick up Miss Jenny. So yeah, okay. Hey girl, so I attached the wig using my bed head spray as always, and now I'm just gonna go ahead and cut the lace. Okay guys, so that wraps up the styling portion. Now I'm here to tell you guys my pros and cons and my final thoughts on this unit. So off the bat, this unit definitely really reminds me of Martina. I feel like she doesn't look as I don't know, she looks a little bit different to me than on the start card. Similar to how everyone thought that Martina would be really silky, but she came out looking really yucky. This is a yucky unit as well, and I think it reminds me of Martina in the style because it is a middle part. It's about a normal, like, natural length, 16 inches. I think this is a bit longer, maybe 20 in the back especially. This unit is very similar to Martina. I feel like the only difference is when I got Martina in ginger brown, it didn't have the dark root. So if you wanted a dark root, maybe suggest picking up Miss Jenny. It's also a bit thicker than Martina. I feel like this density is very thick, similar to the niches. I love the layers. You guys know I'm a huge fan of having units giving a body, giving layers cut into them, framing the faces, and this unit definitely does that. I think it's a perfect everyday wig, especially if you get it in like a 1B color, because it will definitely be giving your hair just blown out. So those are kind of my final thoughts. I really do like the unit. I feel like it reminds me of Martina. If you saw my review on Martina, then you know the drill. I think that wraps up this video. If you enjoyed, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe and join the channel, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye guys.